welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a comparison video amongst these two micellar water. One is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water All-in-One for normal and sensitive skin. The other one is new, which is a Biore baking soda cleansing micellar water, great for combination skin, which is something I have. So I mentioned a lot about this off this channel. I even did a comparison video with this, with the Etude House version, and I will link the video here or in the description box down below so you guys can go and check that out. It basically has 400 milliliters worth, which is roughly 200 usage. It retails for about $10 Canadian. Of course, when it goes on sale, it's about $7 or $8. I've seen that before. Or it's a buy two or spend $12 and you get like a travel size one. So there are those deals out there to save you a little bit. And I have also seen this at Costco in terms of a value size, which is almost double the size for about $12 Canadian, which is a very, very good deal in comparison to, you know, like basically $10 for this off regular price. This is not a bottle that can be refilled, unfortunately. So once you finish this, you kind of just have to recycle the bottle. It doesn't have a scent, and it does what it says it does, which is cleanse, removes makeup, soothes, and of course no rinsing. I pretty much use, if I want to remove a full face worth of makeup, I use about 3 to 4 cotton pads about this size where I just soak it and I kind of just like remove my makeup using this. It does the job, it doesn't leave me a residue, but I still double cleanse at the end of the night, but that's just a preference of mine. So in comparison to the Biore Baking Soda Cleansing Micellar Water, first off, it's in a blue bottle. It does have a twist top, so if it ever comes out with like a big value bottle, this is always good, you can always refill it. Or of course, if it comes in a travel size one, assuming that it's also a twist top, then you can always refill that. The bottle is blue, but the product itself is clear. It does have a scent. It's like this really refreshing baking soda scent. So I believe they have a baking soda cleansing line with Biore, and it's just one of their signature scents, which I've been really liking. I know it sounds kind of weird. I'm not a person that loves scents all the time, but this one is really good. It is good for combination skin. It does what it says it does, which is removes makeup, deep cleanses pores, and refreshes. I use the same amount of cotton pad and the same amount of product in order to remove a full face worth of makeup. Only thing is, this is only 300 milliliters. It also retails for $10 Canadian, but I recently saw it on sale for basically $5.99, so six bucks for this. So that's pretty good. So when I compare the two, and you're probably asking me, so which one is actually better? Bang for your buck, of course, is going to be the Garnier one, especially they have a value size at Costco. But in terms of something new and having it able to have a twist top and possibly one day come out with a value bottle, it could be refilled and you can reuse the bottle. So being a little bit more environmental about this, then you don't really actually have to throw out this bottle, and it could be reused. And of course it could be reused for other things, as long as you like just kind of peel off the sticker for the label, clean out the bottle, and you can reuse the bottle. But yeah, I can't say product-wise, I don't think one is better than the other in any way. I personally like this at the moment only because of the scent. I'm very, very loyal to Garnier with the original one, so I will still stick around with this, and I still have a few bottles of these left. So yeah, so it's more or less take your pick. If you want to try something new, of course, try out the Biore one. They also have a charcoal version, which I guess is really good for deep cleanse. And it's a little bit more harsh on your skin in comparison to this one, which is a baking soda version. So yeah, anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if so, remember to give me that thumbs up. I do try to upload new videos each week, so make sure you are subscribed. Turn on that little bell for notification. I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!